Assalamu alaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of Hello Watch 4 Plus. We finally have it here, and basically the box says Hello Plum, but it is Hello Watch 4 Plus, and it supports 4G SIM, Wi-Fi and Android operating system. So I ordered these in two colors, black and silver. You can get these from AliExpress. I will put the link in the description. Seller is Zorwing, and let me just quickly peel the plastic off. So as you can see, this one is in black and the other one is in silver. So let me just quickly peel the plastic. And there are a lot of clones in the market right now currently for Apple Watch Ultra 2, but this one supports 4G SIM and you can also connect it to Wi-Fi as well. And you can also pair it with your Android device or iOS device, which is really good to see. So let me just quickly peel the plastic off. Now let's open the box. And inside the box you get your watch basically, and here is the black one, the silver one, which looks kind of like a black color. It has a really darker tone compared to HK10 Ultra 3. This one is the black one and this one is the silver one. I don't know, the color seems a little bit different compared to all the other Apple Watch Ultra clones. So here is the SIM tool. Do not lose it, guys. I will show you guys in a few minutes why you should keep this one. So here is our charging dock and strap, which is in black color. You can order this in different color as well. So here is another SIM tool for this one. And let me show you, in the other box we get similar charging dock and strap, white strap for the silver one. You can get orange one as well, but I like the white one as well, so it's it has a gray tone to it. So yeah, let's keep it in there. And here is warranty. So this SIM tool is really handy, and do not lose it, guys, because in the other end there is a removing tool which you can easily pop up the SIM by this tool. So let me just quickly show you. First let's put that to the side, and here is our SIM tool. Let's first peel the plastic from the watches. As you can see, the watch build quality is really nice. I believe the body that they are using is plastic, so unlike HK10 Ultra 3, HK10 Ultra 3 is using aluminum build quality compared to this one. I don't know why they are using plastic, because of heat dissipation. I'm not 100% sure. So let's remove the plastic from the front, and it comes with pre-installed screen protector, so you can take this off if you like. And as you can see on the back, we also have a sticker, so it has heart rate sensor on the back. Let's remove the plastic from the silver one as well. And the color looks a little bit dark compared to the original Apple Watch Ultra 2. Let me know in the comments down below. And the body is definitely plastic. So as you can see. And guys, it's really expensive compared to HK10 Ultra 3 Wi-Fi edition. So that's another thing. So yeah, I'm going to be testing the black version because I didn't own a black version previously. The black one also looks really good. The new Apple Watch Ultra 2 comes in black color. So yeah, let me take the plastic from this one as well. And the body is plastic, guys. It has some sort of the quality that they are using, you can definitely say it's plastic. But anyways, so yes, on the back I also believe there is this one, the material is plastic. Yeah, similar with this one. So let me just remove the plastic from this one as well. Now let's take out the SIM. On the bottom there is a SIM. If you take out the strap, as you can see, there is a pin. You just need to press on it And the sim tool has a design on the other end. It has a pull design, so you can pull out the sim tray from this end. That way you can easily insert your SIM card. So let me just take this out. I mean, it's a good design. I don't know how you can do that easily without the SIM tool. So there you go. Do not lose this SIM tool, guys. So anyway, guys, I just boot this up, and let me just quickly show you the interface. The display looks really nice, guys. The bezel is very thin and it is using real AMOLED display. So we have these watch faces pre-installed. You can download more watch faces, but honestly there are not that many watch faces available currently in the app. So the screen looks absolutely amazing, guys, and the performance is also very smooth. As you can see, it's really smooth, but compared to HK10 Ultra 3, it is not that smooth. I will be comparing this with HK10 Ultra 3 Wi-Fi edition, and as you can see, but honestly, guys, still it is very smooth and it looks very nice. The display quality is amazing. So let me just quickly show you. If you go into general, about, as you can see, model name, and it is using Android. So guys, I'm basically connected to Wi-Fi now in the watch, and I receive a firmware update, and I did the update. Now it is way smoother compared to the previous boot that I did once I first boot it up. Now it looks a lot smoother, but still it's not that smooth compared to HK10 Ultra 3. And if you swipe to the left and right, it doesn't do anything. So yeah. And the crown key haptic feedback, I really like the crown key haptic feedback. It is way much better than HK10 Ultra 3. So let me just quickly go into display. Unfortunately, guys, it does not support always on display. So let me just quickly see the brightness. Okay, this one looks okay. So yeah. And let me just go into heart rate. So let's check the heart rate sensor, guys, in this one. And let's put it on a table, and it is measuring. And it is still measuring. Let's see if it will measure. And yeah, it's measuring now, as you can see. So quite disappointing actually, because on HK10 Ultra 3, if you put it on a table, it won't measure the heart rate. That does not mean that they are not using a good heart rate sensor, but still, guys, HK10 Ultra 3 is using a really good sensor. Let me just quickly show you. HK10 Ultra 3 is my daily driver, the Wi-Fi version. So yeah, as you can see, we receive an error. So anyways, let's get into another application, and let me just quickly show you the animation for sports mode. This one looks very original to the Apple Watch Ultra 2. As you can see, the animations. And heart rate, I believe if you wear the watch, it will give you a accurate measure. So I will test that as well. Now let's go into application store, app store, and you can download applications from this, like Facebook, Google Maps you can download, and Amazon, TikTok. It comes with the pre-installed TikTok application, but it's in Chinese, so you can download Facebook Lite as well. So let me just quickly download YouTube as well. And yeah, I'm connected to Wi-Fi 4G. Unfortunately, it does not support 5G networks, so only supports 4G bandwidth. So here's our TikTok application, and you cannot search any videos, you cannot search any new videos, and you cannot log into your account, which is quite disappointing actually. So it also has WhatsApp, so you can chat on it, but I won't prefer this one. So yeah, you can Also insert your SIM card, 4G SIM card. And we have Tesla application as well. We have Facebook application, so you can log on to your Facebook. And as you can see, I'm currently connected to Wi-Fi. You can also pair this watch with your iOS or Android device. Here is our activity application, and as you can see, the bezel looks really thin. I really like the bezel size in this one, and the black color looks really good. Let me know in the comments down below if you agree with me. Here is our music application, so you can add the music to it, and you can pair your Bluetooth earbuds in this one because it also supports Bluetooth. So yeah, and it comes with a real AMOLED display as I've mentioned previously, and the display looks stunning, guys, in my opinion. So YouTube is downloaded now, and let's install this first, and I will show you guys how it looks. As you can see, installation is taking a lot of time. And the battery life, guys, the battery life is not that great, honestly. You get 1 day of battery life if you are not using Wi-Fi, which is still very low compared to the other watches like HK10 Ultra 3, but HK10 Ultra 3 does not have Android system on it. So as you can see, we have YouTube. The only way you can search for a video is, let me just quickly show you, you don't get a keyboard, which is very annoying, that you do not get a built-in keyboard. The way to search for a video is a voice option, 4K video. As you can see, it searches 4K video. Let me just play this one. And as you can see, the display looks really nice. It's playing YouTube videos without any issues. So you can watch your YouTube video, guys, in this watch. But I don't know who might watch the videos in their watch. So as you can see, the display looks really nice, sharp and bright. It's gonna drain your battery a lot quicker, so keep that in mind. And guys, as I was telling you before, that if you are wearing the watch, it will measure your heart rate accurately. So, but if you put it on a table, it will also measure that one as well. So I'm not sure if the heart rate is accurate compared to HK10 Ultra 3. I will compare it with HK10 Ultra 3. And overall, the watch is really nice, but it's quite expensive, guys. It supports palm gesture and tap to wake feature, this is the second watch that I'm reviewing on this channel that has this tap to wake feature. The first one, I believe, was DT Smartwatch Ultra, which has this feature, and this is the second one. So you can wake up the watch by just tapping on the screen. And I wish that they bring this feature to all the Apple Watch Ultra 2 clones, and auto brightness feature. So the map also does not work in this one, guys. Unfortunately, it was not able to detect my location, and yeah, that's quite disappointing. Guys, if you like my video, leave a comment down below, like this video, click on that subscribe button, click on that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Allah Hafiz.